I don't think they believe you, Gary.
Did you hear him? Did you hear him?
مش عارف ليه هالأمريكي غضبان جدا. ها؟
Bullshit. That's bullshit. You're all fake. You're all fake.
Deputy, idiot.
Gary, you have just got to chill, okay, buddy? No, those other refugees, they weren't part of this. They're real. I know. I have been embedded with them, okay? And those soldiers, well, they're fucking real too. That train wasn't supposed to be stopped. So just calm the fuck down and we will get through this, all right? And you know what? I'll even give you guys a head start before I come after you. How's that sound? You good? Come on, buddy.
Gary, go.
I'm not your buddy! Sayonara, sugar tits. No! Shit!